Hi, my name is Tony DeGraff from Burke's and welcome to 1A Scott Street, a rare and stunning green titled 2-level terrace house located right in the heart of the South Perth Peninsula. Come, experience it for yourself. This home has just gone through a complete transformation, creating a modern and sophisticated home suited to only the most discerning of buyers. In the heart of the home is the kitchen, which features top-shelf Miele appliances, sweeping stone benches and custom cabinetry installed by one of Perth's premier kitchen companies. Through double glazed sliding stacker doors is your south-facing private and secure courtyard, ideal for summertime entertaining or just kicking back. If you're after a bit of sunshine, the north-facing alfresco captures the winter sun through a remote-controlled louvered pergola. Both of these options allow you to enjoy outside living all year round. The generous main suite with custom cabinetry has its own street-facing balcony with river views, and the secondary bedroom is spacious and enjoys some amazing northerly vistas. The bathroom has been redesigned with a contemporary layout and features a backlit mirror, floor-to-ceiling tiling and quality fixtures and fittings.